Fix League of Legends login queue error, 100% fix or easy way. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix League of Legends login queue error. So there can be many common causes and solutions for login queue issues like server downtime or maintenance. You can check server status, visit the official League of Legends server status page to see if there are any notifications about maintenance or server issues. And Riot Games usually update their page with real-time information, and you can also check for network connection issues like restart your router. Sometimes simply restarting your router can resolve network connectivity issues that might be blocking your access in the game. So you can also check your firewall settings, ensure that your firewall or antivirus software is not blocking League of Legends. You may need to add League of Legends as an exception in your firewall settings, and you can also try logging in at a different time if the server are experiencing high traffic, particularly during peak hours or special gaming events. Try logging in at a different time when the servers are less congested. And you can also repair game files. Use the repair tool available in the League of Legends client under the settings menu. This can fix any corrupt files that might be causing issues with the login queue. And the resolution time for login queue issues can vary based on the cause. If it's due to scheduled maintenance, Riot Games typically provides an estimated time to when the servers will be backed up. For issues on the player's end, such as network problems or software conflicts, the problem might be resolved as soon as the underlying issues is fixed. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one.